In today's video, we'll be learning the most expression, like the most, when I say the most expression, right? Like if, for example, when you're angry in Igbo, you say iwe na ewem. Iwe na ewem. Iwe na ewem. Angry. I'm angry, like when you say I'm angry. Iwe na ewem. I am angry. Iwe na ewem. When someone is angry, you say, maybe he or she is angry, you say iwe na ewe ya. Iwe na ewe ya. Iwe na ewe ya. Do you understand? That's when that person is angry. Iwe na ewe ya. Then, when somebody annoys you, you're like, Ikbasuru m iwe. Ikbasuru m iwe. You made me angry. Ikbasuru m iwe. Ikbasuru m iwe. You made me angry. You need to apologize. Own it. Ikbasuru m iwe. Ikbasuru m iwe. You made me angry. Shit. Share this video. Love, like. Of course, I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Dramatic today? Yes. I woke up being dramatic today. Deal with it. Bye.